Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. This is the next video tutorial of shopping cart project, and in this project I am going to show you optimizations continue. So in the last video tutorial I have complete the categories controller, and in the category controller just resolve the index action method, or you can say the optimize the index action method. So just going to the view section of index action method and resolve the IEnumerable namespace, that is shopping cart dot mapped dot view models dot that is. So just again shopping cart dot mapped dot view models dot category view models dot category view model, that is resolved. So similarly resolve all these create .cshtml also. So just open the previous one, that is index.cshtml, that is resolved. So just copy and paste in the section of create and edit. So just paste it, and in the edit section also. So in the edit section you have to see that get category by ID. So just open IMapped category. Here only we have get all mapped categories. So just add a new one, that is get category by ID. So get category by mapped ID, you can say get mapped category by ID. So you can pass it in it, that is ID property. And resolve IMapped category with the implementation detail. So category view model, that is get mapped category by ID, integer ID, and here you can pass variable category equals to underscore category wrapper dot get category by ID, and in which you can pass ID. Okay, and VM, that is just mapped that category with the respective view model, and the view model is category view model, and return VM. Okay, so here you can say category mapped get mapped category by ID, just it, and just remove, and in the view section you have to pass category, that is a view model. Okay, so the same thing you can do in the edit section of the category. So category, and also in that get section of delete you have to pass. So the edit section resolve just add shopping cart dot mapped dot view model dot category view model dot edit category view model. So the get section of index, create and edit is clear. Also delete details is clear. Actually scaffolding is not working here because the complete build project you have to add scaffolding, but you have to apply scaffolding. But if your application have some errors, then you do not apply scaffolding. Looking like that, there was an error. So just resolve first of all errors, and just after that you have to add details scaffolding. Okay, so in the detail section also you have to pass get mapped category by ID. In the delete section you have to also pass that is get mapped category by ID, that is the get section of category delete. So that is the post section of delete, and post section of edit, and post section of create. So first of all, add a 3 method in the interface, that is insert, update and delete, and in which you can pass view model, respective view models. So here we have delete category view model, create category view model and edit category view model. So in the insert method you have to pass create category view model, and in the edit section you have to pass edit category view model. So in application you have to create a loosely coupled, because all these relationship between the model to the web application is removed. Okay. So there is now in that first of all handle the create post method. So you can add underscore category dot insert, in which you can pass VM, that is create category view model, and just removed all these, just cut and paste inside the mapped project. So just under insert mapped category view in model, so resolve category, just control period sign or resolve usings, shopping cart dot data access, and in the category in place of we have to use category repo. So category repo, so problem resolved. Now in the create section, create category view model is not exist, so just first of all resolve, and in the edit category view model just pass the same thing, underscore category dot update VM, and just cut and paste in the mapped project, that is here. Okay, so here I am going to show you actually any relation between the data access layer and the web layer, or you can say UI layer, is actually not related to each others. So remove the connection between the data access layer and the UI layer. So delete. So that is the thing you have to done it into your project. So the category controller is completed. Now just go to the section of product. So here we have a product interface. In the category interface we have 5 unimplemented methods. So just paste it inside the iMapped product, and 3.1 is actually commented because later on I will working on it. But first of all I want to work on the get all mapped products as well as get mapped category by ID. So product view model, just using product view model and product view model, get category in place of product by ID. Add a new class in the repository, that is mapped product, and make it public. The default is internal. So just copy in from the mapped category class and to the mapped product, and just change I category. In place of I category you can add I product, Okay, replace the category name to the with the product. I category, just class of I product. Category repo, just add product repo. Okay, that's cool. Now the mapped product actually implemented with the I mapped product interface, and add unimplemented method, that is the get all mapped product as well as get mapped product by ID. So in the product controller we have the first action method, that is index, and in the product controllers you can add I mapped product. Mapper is removed from the product controller because in the mapped project we use mapping, so just remove from the UI layer. And here we can use underscore product dot get all mapped product and just remove the mapper in the from the index action method, and just cut and paste, you can say. Oops. Now in the VM you have to say underscore product repo dot get all products, and just mapping between the all products, just cut and paste in the mapped product. There is, and in place of product list you have to pass VM, or you can say model, that is. So just pass model and return mapped products to the UI layer. Shopping cart dot web dot view model is actually so come to the section, just removed it and check product view model namespace and replace if getting. So just open, yeah, there is an error actually, that is exist in the mapped project. So shopping cart dot mapped, and remove all unnecessary usings. iForm file and is actually package is not there, so install package Microsoft ASP.NET Core.HTTP latest one, and select list item is not actually there MVC in the MVC project actually, so just add it Microsoft.ASP.NET.MVC. system.web.mvc. So there is just copy and paste all these view model under the product view model. And remove unnecessary namespace. Okay, so just save all these the product and resolve namespace, and in the repository you have to resolve, yeah, there is, and return mapped products in the get all map products. Return mapped products. So thank you guys for watching this video, and continue watching shopping cart project. For later I will complete that optimization. Thank you very much.